to explain a bit about what the purpose of the event is. And the sort of annual local ploughing match is run by the District Agricultural Society. But the purpose of the Agricultural Society is for the improvement of agricultural practice and husbandry. And so in today's world we still have the traditional ploughing, although in the modern world it's all about min-till and minimal soil disturbance, but ploughing still has a place in modern farming. We've got here a mounted fast 3-point linkage, all the tractors, you lift them up down on the hydraulics. Massey Ferguson, which is the grey one, that's grey and gold, that they were made in Coventry. Harry Ferguson invented draft control and the 3-point linkage. We were world leaders. We've got a hook, so we've got a Massey Ferguson, factory closed now, made in France. We've got an International, were made in Doncaster, factory closed. David Brown, made in Huddersfield, factory closed. Ford, made in Basildon, factory still open, but an assembly plant now. Obviously, these companies actually all have the same parent now. But it's the things that were very rare and had short production runs that become very collectible and more valuable. And so often the things that were the least commercial success in their day actually carry the basic value as classics today. Things that they made tens of thousands of, they're not rare, they were the best. Haven't given you all the bad news about the downfall of our manufacturing industry. We've got some good news here because we've got a JCB fast track, which is obviously from just made down the road in Staffordshire. So very pleased to see that here. And we've obviously got other more modern tractors here as well.
Oh my God!
The fish are not better.
Oh, please Where's Rob gone?
Folks, can you all hear me?
Yes.
We have got our local MP on board today. Now, I don't want to embarrass him too much, but I've got to say, I can't resist saying, Dave, where are we going to be on this inheritance tax?
Nice.
Hold on, everybody.